this company upon some mathematical facts, some computations of mathematics, that is the saying of this company right or wrong. For example, let us pretend that my tree is working at the optimum level. Optimum level means all of my members are in my tree. There are 4,096 people, and just pretend for the time being that all of them are working very accurately. Since this whole tree is working at optimum level, that means each and every person is enjoying the commissions. Obviously, as you're on the top, you're enjoying the commissions in a high level. Similarly, these two persons are on the second stage enjoying the commission. Third stage enjoying. Each and every person is happy and is gaining lots of commission. In this case, I would like to ask you that how many people within my tree will leave this business? Obviously, many answers come in the sense that no one will stop working because each and every person is achieving the commission. Everyone is happy. Why would anyone stop working? This is the answer that I usually get from your side. Still, I ask people, just pretend some people stop working, how many? So I get answers from 5% to 10%. And the people say, for example, this person has died, this person has got an accident, a severe accident, so he cannot work for a year or so he has stopped the working. He has died, he has stopped the working. For example, 5 to 10% people stop working. This is the answer that I get from your side. But we are testing the company. This is not the sufficient amount. While testing the company, let us test on the high level. For example, in my opinion, I say that if 98.5% people stop working, it is unusual figure. Hope it was not in your mind, because it is very optimum level that I am telling you that I am getting off 98.5% within my tree. That means most of the people, majority of the people are stopped working. So now the question here is, if these much people stop working, will I be getting $450 per day even? I ask the company still says you can test us. So you can guess, if you have good mathematics as I do, while 98.5% people leaves your tree or stop working for the time being and so on, I'll be having only 1.5% people in with me, or only 1.5% are working. Now, to test and end the testing, let me clear you one thing, and then we'll come back to this and then we'll test the company. For example, whenever we have 3 persons, we get $30 commission. That means whenever we have 3 entries on left, 3 entries on right, we have $30 commission. So, for example, if this is a mirror, let us assume that this is a mirror. So, this is Mr. 3, and this is not a Mr. 3, this is the reflection of Mr. 3. So we may call this is the 3 persons, not 6%, because when I see the mirror, I see myself in the mirror. So I am 3, this is myself in the mirror. This is my mirror image. We call this 3%, not the 6%. So when you have 3% on left, 3% on right, that is 3, you get $30 commission. When you have 6% on your left, 6% on your right, that means this is 6, Mr. 6, this is the mirror, this is his mirror image. You may call it 6%, not 12%. Because when I see myself in the mirror, it is me who is in the mirror. Not 2 persons are there. I, Mr. Kamran, and Mr. Kamran is there. So it is only Mr. Kamran. It is the mirror image of myself. So whenever we have 6%, we get $60 commission. Whenever we have 9, that means we have $90 commission. So you must keep this thing in your mind that when we have 3%, just put a zero ahead of that, then you will be having the commission. If you have 6 people, put another zero, put a zero, then you will be having commission. If you have 9 people, just put zero, then you will be having commission. Now for example, you have 21 people on left, 21 people on right. How much will you be earning on this Monday? Right? You have 21 people, you may write 21 and then put a zero here, you will be having $210 commission on this Monday. Simple as that. Just put on the people and put another zero here, then you will be getting commission which is expected on Monday. Right? So, keeping this in your mind, let us move forward and see whether the company will be paying us $450 per day or not, even though majority of the people had gone from my tree. Now for example, I have 4,096 people in my tree. Just pretend all of them are with me still now. Pick up these 96 people and say goodbye to them. These people has left me. I am not entering people, I am leaving. These people are leaving us. So let us pretend that when I have 4,096 people, pick these 96 people and say goodbye. Now what you have in your tree, it is a round figure, 4,000 people. Just pretend the 96 people have gone. So now you have 4,000 people. And I have done this just to simplify, just to get an accurate value, an approximate value. When you have 4,000 people, when you had 4,000 people in your tree, and all the people are gone, you only have 1.5% people within your tree. Now if you multiply these 4,000 people which you had in your tree, 96 people have left, and only 1.5% out of these 4,000 people are in active position and they are working. That means you will be having only 60 persons. I am talking about persons, not percent. If you multiply 4,000 people by 1.5%, you will be getting 60 persons only. That means now you have only 60 persons working in your tree. That means 4,036 people have left your tree. Or you may say that out of 4,096 people, only 60% are working, and obviously if you subtract 4,096, which was the actual figure that you had in your tree, and you now have only 60 people working with, that means 4,036 people have left. How many people have left? 4,036 people have left your tree. That means majority of the people have stopped working in your tree. Now my question is there with the company, will you be still giving us $450 per day as you promised us? So the company says you can test us. Now this is the ending. When you have 60 people coming daily in your tree against 4,096 people, and only 60% are active, they are working properly. So by writing 60%, you may put another zero. As I told you before, 3% put zero, this is your commission. 6% put zero, this is your commission. 9% put zero, this is your commission. 21% put zero, this is your commission. 16% put zero, this is your commission per day. So you can see here that under this worst condition, under this worst scenario, you are still earning $600 per day. But mind it, this $600 will not be given to you because you have been promised for only $450 per day. That means $600 minus $450, company will still be enjoying a profit of $150 even if 98.5% people stop working in your tree. Under these circumstances, company is still enjoying $600, and by paying you $450 per day, the company will be enjoying $150 per day, even under this condition. When all the people have stopped working, all the people have left working, and only 60 people are active. I hope that this mathematical